Welcome to another Tree Spotters tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about how to access and navigate the Tree Spotters Flickr page. Flickr is the platform that we use to store and share images of all of our trees, and it's a great resource for tree spotters who are looking for images of the phenophases that they might see out in the field. So to navigate to our Flickr page, you can start here at the Volunteer to be a Tree Spotters page on the Arboretum website. And then on the left-hand side, click on Tree Spotters Resources. Next, you're going to click on the social media link. And finally, the Tree Spotters Flickr group button right here. So now I'm at the Arnold Arboretum Tree Spotters group page, and it's actually a private page, so I'll need to join Flickr and request permission to join the group before I can see anything on the page, besides the description here. So I'm going to click Join Group. And if I haven't already created a Yahoo account, I'll need to do that by clicking on this button here. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to click Sign In. And I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so now I've created my Flickr account, and I've requested to join the Tree Spotters group page, and my request has been accepted by one of the admin. And now I can see all of the content on the page here. So there's navigation tabs up here at the top. Right now I'm in the group overview here, so I'll just see a little bit of information about the group. And then the photo pool. And the photo pool is basically a chronological gallery of all of the images that have been added to this group by various users. I can also navigate through these tabs here. The most important one will be the Photos tab, which again is just a way of getting to the group pool so I can see all of the images that have been submitted, starting with the most recent. So there's a really easy way to search through the Tree Spotters group pool and to narrow my search results down to just images that are in the Tree Spotters group pool. And I can do this by clicking on this magnifying glass icon. When I do that, it will add a search string up here to the search box, and anything that I search now will be limited to the Tree Spotters group pool images instead of all of Flickr. So if I want to take a look at maybe maple phenophases, I could type in maple, and now I'm seeing images of maples from the Tree Spotters group pool. So these are all images of our maples out on the grounds. If I click on any of these images, I can take a look at the details. So this is actually an image that I took, and here's the title and description that I gave that image when I uploaded it. You'll see that this photo is in the Tree Spotters group, and here are some tags that I added. For every one of the photos that gets uploaded to our group, we tag it with the accession number here. So in addition to being able to search our group pool by common name, you can also search by scientific name, you can search by accession number, you can also search by date. So let's take a look at how to do that. I'm going to go back to my search. So let's say I want to see only images of sugar maples in March. So by typing March and maple, I'm limiting my search results to just images of the maples in the Tree Spotters list and images that were made in March. So now I can see all the phenophases that I might expect to see in March based on images that we have accumulated here in our group pool. So this is a really powerful tool for taking a look at the different trees that we have that we're observing for the Tree Spotters. So I can also search by Latin name. I can filter my results as well if I want to look for just images that were taken within a certain span of time. So let's look at images that were made from April 1st of last year through July 30th. So I can filter my results that way as well. So remember that if I don't have this unique search string up here in the search box, and I search for a tree, I'm going to get results from all of Flickr. So this is showing me images of Tilia from people that I follow, and then from the rest of Flickr. So just remember, if you don't add that unique search string using the magnifying glass icon, you're going to get results from all of Flickr, and that's not going to be very helpful for you. So let's go back to our Tree Spotters group, and one more time, if we want to search within our group pool, we're just going to click on this magnifying glass icon and type common Latin name or accession number of the tree we want to check out into the search box. And there you have it. If you're interested in submitting photos to our group pool, ask one of the coordinators about that, and we can show you how that's done. And thanks for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you out there.